Behold is Amadioha. Amadioha is the Arose or Abara of thunder and lightning of the Igbo people of southeastern Nigeria. Amadioha is also the god of justice and retribution. He is among the most popular of Igbo deities and in some parts of Igbo land. He is referred to as Amadioha, Kamalu, which is short for Kalu, Kamanu or Ofufe. Astrologically, his governing planet is the sun. His color is red and his symbol is a white ram. Metaphysically, Amadioha represents the collective will of the people. He is often associated with Anyanwu, who is the Igbo god of the sun. While Anyanwu is more prominent in northern Igbo land, Amadioha is more prominent in the southern part. His day is Afo, which is the third market day of the Igbo 4-day week. Literally, Amadioha means master of all. He who knows it all, the master of all. Previously, Amadioha has been defined or was defined to be man of the people. But in this context, I want to go far in the definition of Amadioha. Amadioha means Amadioha. This simply means master or owner, while Ama means he who knows it all. Kama, he who knows it all. Most people from the eastern part of Nigeria ascribe the name to their local deity. Shrines. Amadioha still exists in different parts of Igbo land, but the main shrine is located at Oboro Amuku Ihiok, as it's called in Ozu, in Echie local government area of present-day Rivers State. Although it is located there, it is not the patron deity of the purpose. In fact, it is said that Ozu is the town in which Amadioha lives, and it serves as its early headquarters. It is from there that it spread to other parts of Igbo land of Nigeria. Amadioha, the god of justice. Amadioha is first and foremost known as a god of justice. He speaks through thunder and he strikes with lightning. He creates thunder and lightning by casting down thunderstones down to the earth. Person judged guilty by Amadioha are either killed by lightning, which leaves a black mark on the forehead, or attacked by a swarm of bees. The property of the victim is usually taken by the priest of Amadioha, and the body is left unburied and the victim unmourned, as the punishment is considered to be a righteous one from God. In Igbo culture, when a dead person is left unburied, it gives the people clues that this one has been punished by the gods. In some parts of Igbo land, Amadioha is used as a curse word. Oaths are often sworn to him, which can carry deadly penalties when broken. The ritual cleansing for Amadioha is very costly and tasking. The deity can only be appeased by transferring the cost to a live good that is let loose outside the walls of the community. The ram is a common offering for him. The priestly clan of Amadioha are known as Oma Amadi, which translates to children of Amadioha. Besides justice, Amadioha is also a god of law, peace, and unity, and is prayed for increase of crops, children in the home, and benevolence. Aside the above manifestations of Amadioha, he represents are different from most African religious worldviews, a messianic hope for those in critical situations. Amadioha is also considered to be a creator god. In some traditions, human beings were made by him when he sent down lightning to strike a silk cotton tree, which split and revealed a man and a woman. Amadioha is often shown as husband to Ane, or Allah, who is the earth goddess or earth mother. In some Igbo tradition, the pair are said to be the first Arose to have been created by Chineke. The two are often honored with houses made of mud. Amadioha is typically depicted as a fair-skinned titled gentleman of cool temper who is the patron of light-skinned Igbos and men of exalted rank. In reality, this is not so. As a matter of fact, Amadioha has no humanoid form and no physical form, save for a gigantic white ram, and this is how those who have witnessed him described him to be. While An is considered to be the lawmaker of Igbo society, which is known as Ordinala, Amadioha is the enforcer and protector of the law. Amadioha has a personal shrine. It's a suite of enterprise that brings wealth. He's also a representative of the head of the household. Therefore, the people from Uzuzu town in Eche, local government area of Rivers State of Nigeria, do not eat special cow meat because Amadioha deity hazy because mashing each piece results in skin peeling and massive death of the citizens. Subscribe to our channel. Up next is the mysterious Namekelek.